When you're Cristiano Ronaldo, flying commercial just isn't an option. Enter his private jet, a Gulfstream G200 that is worth a cool $20 million. This isn't just a plane. It's a luxury travel experience in the sky, with plush leather seats, ample space, and a fully stocked bar. The jet is a mobile penthouse for Ronaldo, whether he's flying between his homes in Madrid, Lisbon, or even attending major football events. His jet ensures that he travels in the most comfortable way possible. Ronaldo's private jet isn't just about comfort, it's about efficiency and privacy. As one of the most famous athletes in the world, keeping a low profile while traveling is crucial, and his jet allows him to do just that. It's also a statement of success, a way for Ronaldo to show that he has reached the pinnacle of luxury.